All right, guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, and it is 6:51 a.m. I got my camera going, I got my Uber light going, and ready to pick up some riders. Let's go. So, let's see. Opportunities, anything out there in the morning? Let's see. We'll wait for that to pop up. But let's go ahead and get going. Let's see what's out there. So today we got goals. I'm only doing it for half a day today. Then we got to go to regular job. So without further ado, let's get started and let's pick them up. All right, guys, I'll update you along the way. Let's go. All right, guys, I picked up this one. This was a $25 one. Let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped off that one at $7.56, paid me $25. I just picked up another one. That's to get me out, and this one's like $12. All right, I'll update you. Don't forget your goals. Whatever your goals are, don't forget them. Got to stay on top of it. Everyone has a goal. Don't let no one tell you can't do it. Just do it. You do what you can do and keep on doing it. When you say, man, I can't do it no more, do it again. Just keep on going. All right, let's go. We ain't gonna be complaining up here. We're just gonna pick them up and go. Try to make as much money as we can and then count it at the very end. All right, guys, let's go. All right, I just dropped off that one. And when I dropped off that one, I picked up another one. Picked him up. And now I just dropped him off, pick up another one. So I missed a couple. Right now I'm at 54, but I'm picking this other one up. It's getting me closer to downtown area. And that one's going to pay me, I think, 13. But I'm going to have to update you. There's a couple that I did miss to capture. But so far, I've been moving. It's 9 o'clock. All right, guys, I'll update you, let you know. All right, guys, I just finished off dropping off that one. And that one paid me $11.89. So let's go ahead and take a look. See, we got 4 trips. That first one that I did this morning was... What was that first one? This morning, right? Yeah. Here we go. That one was 43 minutes, paid me $25. The second one was $10, but they gave me a $6 tip, so $16. Then I had the $13 one, and then this last one was $12 one, $11.89. Let's go. All right, so we're 66 so far, and we did 4 trips. And it's almost 10 o'clock. So let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 hours. Come on, we got to keep on going. Let's go. We're waiting for another one to come through. All right, I got my destination set because I got probably about 2 more and then that's it. All right, guys, I'll let you know. All right, guys, I got my last one, and that last one paid me $9.60. And that put me at $76, 5 trips. All right, guys, that's going to be it. It's 10:30, and it was just half a day today. All right, I'll put everything on there. Let's go. Keep on going. Man, whatever your goal is, every little bit counts. Every little bit counts. Don't stop. Some people may say, man, that's not a good one. That's not a good one. You just keep on picking up. It'll all add up and it'll average out. It'll average out. All right. And then you get to decide which ones are worth it, which ones are not, which one's worth your time. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. Today is Saturday morning, December 21st. Again, Saturday morning, December 24th, and it is 8:30. So we got a little bit of a later start. I got my camera rolling. I got my Uber light going on. And we're fixing to pick up some trips. So today's half a day, going to work here at 1. So we got till 12 to make as much money as we can. All right, guys. So it has some opportunities. I thought if there was any information, let us know. So let's go ahead and get started. So since we're on a limited amount of time, we got to be real selective, you know. Just watch what you pick up. I'm trying to pick up as much money as I can, and in a limited time. I only got about 4 hours, 3.5 hours, and let's try to make $100. All right, guys, and then from there, we'll get started tomorrow. But today is only half a day, and I got a little late start. Slept a little bit in, but let's try to capitalize on that. All right, guys, let's go. So while we're waiting for these trips, just remember, if you got goals, man, go chase them. Try to get as much money as you can. Look at your time. You're going to have a lot of people say, man, you can't make it. I mean, you're going to get out of this what you're going to put into it, all right? So I'm picking up this one. They're close, and I'm going to drop them off. It takes about 20 minutes. So let's get started. Come on, guys. Let's go. I figured that was, what, 30 minutes for 15 bucks. So if I give me another one in that amount of time, that's like 30 bucks an hour. So those are different things that I look at. Look at your time, look at your miles, look at everything on there. But you put in or you get out what you put into it. If you sit back and don't pick anything, you're not gonna get anything out of it. So definitely pick up, work more, get up earlier. You can stay 12 hours on this. You don't have a boss. No one tells you when to get on, when to get off. You kind of run it. So you kind of make, you pick the ones, and then as long as you're moving the vehicle, you'll see in the end how much average you make. All right, guys, let's go. It's on my first one, and I'll update you. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and that one was $15. They did give me a $2 tip, so it's $17. Let's go. We got to keep on looking and see what else we can get. All right, guys, it's 9:14. All right, guys, I just found one. And this one, oh, did we get it? Okay, we got it. All right, 25 bucks. Gonna be about, looks like an hour drive. But let's get them to the airport and let's go. All right, 10 minutes to pick them up, and we'll see how traffic is. All right, guys. So remember, this one is getting me to the airport, but always remember, when you're getting to the airport, pick one up, getting out. So let's try to make some money on that. Capitalize on it. Come on. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and that one paid me $25, and it is 10:19. So I gotta look at the time. I don't think it took all that time, but it was pretty quick. Anyways, we're at 40 bucks so far. 10:19. So let's keep on going. All right, guys. I'm still waiting for something to pop up, man. If I can get it, I'll get me out of here. Pick someone up. Let's go. Remember, you get out of this what you put into it. So remember that. Actually, that's gonna be the motto. You get out of it what you put into it. All right, let's go. You'll see in the comments someone say, "Hey, that wasn't worth it. That wasn't worth it." But look, you get out of it what you put into it. So let's keep on going. All right, guys, I picked up this one. This one's paying me $11.95. And it's about 20-minute drive, but it's taking me to the downtown areas where I want to go. I've been kind of waiting for about 15 minutes. Ain't nothing popped up, so I picked it. Get me out of here. Let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped off that one. That one paid me 12 bucks. Then I picked up another one that was $13. Now this one was weird because it only showed me it was like 6 minutes to pick them up, but it didn't tell me how long it was going to drop them off. So that was the first time I seen that. Usually it'll tell me round trip, but let's see where this one goes. It was $14, $13.95. So I'll update you and let you know. All right. So I kind of looked up to see where it was taking me, and when I looked it up, it showed that it's a share type thing. So that's probably why it didn't give me a whole thing. Well, we'll see what happens. Let's go. All right, guys, I almost forgot. So that's it. That was my last one. It ended up paying me, how much did that one pay me? It paid me 6 for one and 13 for the other. So just right about 20. And I've made a total of 64 bucks. And that's about it. All right, guys, keep on going. Pick up as much as you can, make as much as you can. Let's go. All right, guys. So I did get a tip, and this tip was a $13 tip. That was the one that I got today. It took me to the airport. That started me off at 25 bucks. Got a $13 tip. Anyways, I was just letting you know. And let's see. So 13 bucks. I made $77 right now. Oh, shoot. Right now I'm getting back on. I'm going to try to see if I can do it for about another hour or so. And let's see what we can get done. All right, guys. I'll update you and let you know. Let's see what we got out there. We'll pick one up and I'll update you and let you know. Where's that head me out to? I'm going that way. Let's see. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I picked up this one, and let's just go. All right, I'll let y'all know what happened. All right, then. All right, well, I picked up another one, and that's just to get me out of here. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. All right, I'll update you and let you know. Let's go. So let me see if we can see. Oh yeah, so that last one was 10. This one right here is 7. And these are just smaller trips. But I'm taking them, so I give me that big one. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and I picked up another one. This was $20, and it's about 12 minutes to pick them up, and then another 18 minutes to drop them off. We'll just say 20 minutes, so about 30 minutes total. All right, guys, let's go.